Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add music to photo in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and tap New Project. Then select photo you want to use. Then tap Add. Then your photo will appear on the timeline. This is your base for the video. Now, tap Audio at the bottom, then choose Sound. Then go to your recommended and click or tap the music you want to add. Then tap the plus button. Then you can also drag the photo or the audio track to match the length you want. You can also trim the music, fade in or fade out, and make it perfectly timed with your image. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.